Imagine a continent once known for peace, now preparing for war. Europe's largest missile manufacturer, MBDA, is dramatically ramping up production. Why? Because the war in Ukraine, rising threats from Russia, and NATO's future all depend on one thing: missiles. Let's break down how and why Europe is accelerating its missile production like never before. MBDA is the largest missile manufacturer in Europe, a joint venture between Airbus, BAE Systems, and Leonardo. In 2024, it increased missile production by 33%. New orders jumped to €13.8 billion, a record in the company's history. MBDA has committed €2.4 billion to expand operations through 2029. Their target? To double production by 2025, flooding Europe's stockpiles with more weapons, faster than ever before. First, the Aster 15 and 30 surface-to-air missiles. These protect cities and military assets from aerial attacks. Ukraine has received over 100 Asters guarding Kiev's airspace. Then the Mistral manpads, portable air defense systems. MBDA ramped up production from 10 to 40 units per month. There's also Storm Shadow cruise missiles used by Ukraine to strike deep into Russian territory. These weapons are battlefield game changers. Earlier, building a missile system took 42 months. Now, MBDA has cut that down by half through upgraded factories and hundreds of new technicians. Assembly lines run faster, critical components are stockpiled in advance. The goal? Deliver 5 times more missiles in 2025 compared to 2023. But it's not just MBDA. Europe's entire defense industry is transforming. Germany partners with Lockheed Martin and Rheinmetall for a missile megahub. Production starts 2026, targeting 10,000 missiles yearly by 2029. Belgium's Thales expanded rocket production 5-fold. Poland builds PAC-3 launch tubes. Europe reduces US dependence for faster delivery and strategic autonomy. This isn't warmongering, it's deterrence. The faster Europe arms itself, the less likely anyone will dare attack. Challenges remain: logistics across countries, bureaucracy, fragmented industry. Experts call for consolidation and unified cooperation. The takeaway? Europe no longer depends on others for defense. From MBDA's factories to Germany's missile hub, the continent gears up for self-reliant defense. A new era of European defense has begun.